Hi, I'm Daniel Robb, licensed hairstylist from Los Angeles, California. And today, I'm going to tell you how to make hair softer at home. This is a really easy process, but I'm going to share my secrets so that you can do this yourself at home, save a ton of money, but don't tell your hairdresser I told you this. The items you'll need for this process are a hydrating shampoo, a deep conditioner, a wide tooth comb, a clip to clip your hair up, and a plastic cap or a shower cap that you can, of course, put over your hair. First thing you want to do in this process of conditioning your hair is to shampoo your hair with a hydrating shampoo. The hydrating shampoo will moisten your hair the most out of any type of shampoo there is. You want to rinse the shampoo out of your hair, and then you want to move on to the next step, which is to take a deep conditioner, and your hair at this point needs to be not sopping wet, but just damp. So maybe you'll towel dry the hair. Then you'll take about a tablespoon of the deep conditioner, also hydrating, and run that through your hair using a wide tooth comb. It's the best way to get conditioner through the hair thoroughly and efficiently. Your next step would be to take your hair, twist it. Of course, if it's long, you can twist it up, and use a clip so it's twisted and clipped up off your neck to the top of your head. And then the last step is to take a plastic bag and place this over your hair and encapsulate your hair in this bag to help trap the moisture, warmth, and heat. You can leave this on your hair on its own with the plastic bag only for 30 minutes, or if you want a little extra deep conditioning and you want to get the conditioner to penetrate more into the cuticle layer of your hair, that's the inside of your hair, you can heat your hair up while it's in the bag with your blow dryer on hot and heat it up for 2 or 3 minutes, get it nice and warm. What that will do is take your cuticle, say this is your cuticle layer, on the top of the hair, and the heat opens the cuticle up like this and allows, say, the conditioner to penetrate into the hair shaft. Then once you are finished timing the conditioning process, you take your bag off and let the cool air get to your hair for about 5 more minutes or so. That will allow the cuticle then to close down like this and trap the conditioner into the hair shaft. And the only last step in this process really is to rinse out the conditioner for 2 or 3 minutes till it feels clean and doesn't feel gummy or slippery anymore, and you're good to go. You'll want to do this process about once a month. That will really help maintain the condition of your hair, and it's just a nice nurturing thing to do for yourself while not spending a lot of money, and think that you'll be able to do this at home at your convenience. Do whatever you need to do around the house and not take time out of your busy day to run to the salon to do it. It makes things so much more simple when you can do them at home. I'm Daniel Robb, and thank you for watching my video on how to make your hair soft at home.